Hi, I'm Daphne. Welcome to my home. We were looking for a water purifier that is not bulky and does not take up tabletop space. With a sleek and elegant design, the one fits our criteria. Yes, our home design is modern and contemporary. The one is the only one we have seen in the market that is cheap. It is small and compact. As my kitchen is not big, tabletop space becomes an important consideration. With the one, I don't need to have a kettle and water pitcher. That's already quite a lot of space saving. It has all the necessary options with ease of use. If I want to drink instant coffee, there's the coffee function which heats water up to an optimum level. If I wish to take a glass of cold water on a hot day, I can use the cold temperature setting. As I have a young infant in future, if I need to make baby milk formula for him, there is even a handy milk formula option. With the auto drainage system, it automatically drains water in the pipe after 24 hours. I think my 7-year-old has been having a lot of fun taking water from the one and drinking much more water than before. With instant hot or cold water so easily available, having a midday caffeine boost or a cup of chilled water to cool down is now easier than before. There's instant access to hot water and cold water now with the one. If I have my friends over for tea, we just need to press a button for hot water and not have to wait for the kettle to boil. If we need a refill, it's quick and easy.